Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about Cisco Express Forwarding. So in packet switching mode, there are three types are there. Fast switching, process switching and chef. So before going to watch this video, you have to go through my previous video session, process switching and fast switching. So afterwards you can watch this video so you can able to understand the difference between these all three: process switching, fast switching and Cisco Express forwarding. So in Cisco Express forwarding, the router's CPU is not involved that much to switching the packet from source to destination. So here we can see in router we have two plan: control plan and data plan. So control plan, the router use some routing protocol to find out the best path from source to destination. And data plan, after finding the best path, how the customer traffic will be forwarding from source to destination, how the packet will be switching from source to destination. So that information should be present in the data plan. So chef have two physical components. One is forwarding information base and another one is adjacency table. It present in the data plan. So once the IP routing table is generated, it will populate that information and stored in the forwarding information base. So same like from org cache, using org cache, it will populate the adjacency table. So forwarding information base is a layer 3 information and adjacency table is a layer 2 information. So if that ingress interface means the incoming packets to the router. So it will directly goes to the chef table, check the layer 3 information, check the layer 2 information and switching the packet from source to destination. Here we can see it will goes to the egress interface. So here not involve the router CPU to switching the packet. So when compared to the process switching and fast switching, chef is more advanced and very fast to switching the packet. So nowadays by default we are using chef only. So using chef, it before sending any single packet from source to destination, it will populated all the information, populated the forwarding information base by using IP routing table and populated the adjacency table by using org table or cache. Okay, let's we can see this is my example scenario. So here I am using two PC1, PC2 and router R1. So router 1 to PC1 I am using 10.10.10.0/24 network, and PC2 to router 1 I am using 192.168.100.0/24 network. Okay, so gateway for PC1 gateway is 10.10.254 and PC2 gateway is 192.168.100.254. Okay, by default all the Cisco router chef is enabled. In case if the chef is disabled means you can enable it by giving no IP chef in global mode. In router global mode you have to give IP chef, the chef is enabled. So if you want to enable chef for particular interface means just go to that particular interface and you have to give IP route hyphen cache space chef. So the chef will be enabled for that particular interface. Okay, so in router now PC1 is tried to ping from PC2. So the packet will be comes to the router. This is the incoming interface, incoming packet on IP 0.0. So in router the packet switching mode is by default chef. So in chef have two physical components. So one is forwarding information base and another one is a adjacency table. So how to check the forwarding information base in router? So you have to give show IP chef. It indicates the forwarding information table. Show IP chef means it will show the forwarding information table. So here we can see the prefix and this is the next hop IP, and this is the outbound interface. Okay, this is a layer 3 information. So what about the adjacency table? How to verify the adjacency table means just give show adjacency detail, enter. So here we can see this is a layer 2 information. So 10.10.10. So this is my next hop IP and this is my outbound interface. So this IP, first MAC address indicates the next hop IP. So next hop MAC address, and next one is a source MAC address of outbound interface FA 0 bar 0. Next one 0800 is a ether type. So next one 192.168.100.10 is my next hop IP, and this is my outbound interface fast ethernet 1 bar 0, and this MAC address is the destination MAC address of next hop, and this MAC address is the source MAC address of outbound interface of fast ethernet 1 bar 0, and 0800 is a ether type. Okay friends, so in router how the packet will be switching from one incoming interface to outgoing interface. So the packet switching modes are three modes are there: process switching, fast switching, and chef. So process switching means each and every packet the router CPU involved to check the routing table and check what is the next hop IP and what is the outbound interface, and rewrite the layer 2 header, source and destination MAC address, and it will send that packet to the destination network. So it router CPU involved. So each and every packet the router CPU will be involved. So the router CPU utilization will be very high. The router process switching process will be very slow, and it will getting the latency like that. So fast switching. So fast switching is a second type. So the first packet only it will be working like process switching, and afterwards it will get that information stored in the cache. So the next subsequent packet pinging from source to destination, it will check that cache, it will for switching that packet. So in subsequent packet the router CPU is not involved. So in chef, before sending any single packet from source to destination, by by default it will populate at the forwarding information base from the routing table, that is layer 3 information, and adjacency table is populated from the ARP cache, that is a layer 2 information. So the first packet itself it will be forward switching based upon the cache, that is chef. So it won't involve any router CPU here. So the packet switching is very fast when compared to the process switching and fast switching, and also the router utilization is very less. Okay friends, I hope you can understand this concept. Thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. So if you have any queries, so just ping me in the comment section. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video.